In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a professional calendar in CorelDRAW by utilizing the built-in templates and powerful script tools. This process is surprisingly straightforward and will save you a massive amount of time compared to manual layout work. To get started, navigate to the top of your screen and select the Tools menu. From there, look for the Scripts option and then click on Run Script. If you happen to be using an older version of the software, you might see this labeled as macros instead. So you would simply navigate to Tools, select Macros, and then click on Run Macro. Once the dialog box opens up on your screen, click on the drop-down list located under Macros and look for the option labeled Calendar Wizard. After you select it, go ahead and click the Run button to launch the interface. This is where the magic happens and where you can customize everything to fit your needs. Your first task is to configure your dates and language settings. Start by setting your target year to whatever you require for your project. You then have the flexibility to select specific individual months if you only need a partial calendar, or you can simply click the All button to generate the entire year at once. Next, move on to the layout preferences where you can choose your preferred starting day of the week, such as Sunday or Monday, depending on your regional standards. You can also select your specific language from a list to ensure all day and month names are translated correctly. By following these simple steps, you can generate a perfectly aligned and fully functional calendar grid in just a few seconds.